calm down, calm the fuck down. If you go down there and finish the job on killing those pricks, you get 1 cracker.
2 crackers.
Okay, but my fucking neck hurts. Get the fuck off of me and do the job. You get 2 fucking crackers.
Can I eat something?
What?
Tell those bastards to buy me some crackers.
Sure.
Oh fuck my dollar.
Wait, what were you saying?
What happened to that quad that was here?
Here, I sold it for $5.
$5 Who's to sell it to?
Wait, why $5?
Dude, what the fuck? That was our fucking transport.
Yeah, but
That was our only transport. Brent.
It's gonna fall. Hold on!
Get down, watch yourself. Back up. And back up. You can get too hot there, is it? And more your ass, that's too hot, is it? It is that now. No, no. You do it from there off this one.
damn, guys, I didn't expect he was gonna damage the quad afterwards. Yeah, man, I've been thinking, I'm sorry I gave away that quad. I feel like a donkey ass.
Weed! Go to the fucking arcade.
I'll do what I goddamn fucking please to. I'm gonna go buy a goddamn quad.
Okay.
What the hell is that, an extraterrestrial dick?
It's just a fucking nightmare.
Why the fuck are you yelling in here?
I don't know, dude. That's just how this fucking nightmare that an alien did an autopsy on my ass.
That's fucking weird.
I think it's
know.
called anal probing.
I don't fucking know. Dude, he came back. He came back already.
Yeah, that fucker got away.
Shit.
Like, I was blind for like 5 seconds.
Yeah.
I fell in mud.
Huh.
Hey, Cody.
What?
Weren't you just talking about an alien earlier?
Well,
You saw an alien?
It was fun. He was different. I saw a damn guy wearing a duck mask out there not too long
Yeah?
ago.
A duck man.
Yeah,
Oh,
duck.
pretty
Dude.
weird.
I think I saw this fucking thing on Lost Tapes about that.
Oh
This
yeah.
fucking drunk guy got attacked.
Shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty weird. I had shit going on.
I'll tell you a story, guys.
What's the goddamn story?
Of duck man.
Oh!
Hey guys, I'm gonna like go up the woods, see if I can track that alien on foot. All right.
All right.
So, see.
Yeah.
I'm going with him.
Whoa! 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 Ow! Shut up! I'm trying to sleep.
You're not fucking sleeping. You're in pain.
Yeah.
Shit,
I'm
where's
in
my
pain.
bat at? My bat's gone.
You okay, Cody?
I'm good, sex machine.
Thank you.
Wait, who the fuck is that? We're in deep shit now.
Yes, we are.
Fuck.
We're in up shit creek with our mouths wide open.
We're fucked.
Yes, we are.
Let's have a fucking check.
Yeah.